Hello, welcome. My name is Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums and to this little video. It's a sound demonstration video. It's to accompany one of my Etsy listings, and it's for this rather beautiful shamanic drum just here. This is a 16-inch buffalo skin drum. It's on an oak wood frame. If I turn it over here, you can see we've got a beautiful silver birch handle. It's laced with artificial sinew. Now I've put some information on the inside of the frame here. I put the fact that it's oak and buffalo in there, just there. I burnt it in with my little engraving machine. I've also put the date when the drum was birthed, and it was the 25th of July 2024 in Knighton Parish, UK. That's for all of you guys who are interested in the astrological information, the energies that are around on the day when this drum was birthed. Falls into the house of Leo, and I put the symbol for Leo there too, and my maker's mark, Driftwood Hollow Drums. So the purpose of the video really is to have a listen, so I'm going to play for you now. I'm going to use two beaters. I'm going to start with a firmer beater, and then I'm going to swap over and play with a softer beater halfway through. Both give a slightly different sound, and either of these are available to purchase alongside the drum if you choose to purchase this drum. So let's have a play. Start with a firmer beater. Beautiful. Okay, so that's the firmer beater, and there should be a soft one here. Here we go. Beautiful. Okay, well, I hope this little video has helped you to make a more informed decision when you're choosing online. It's always tricky. So that's why I like to make these videos, for you to come and have a listen and make that process just a little bit easier. I'm Crow. It's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.